everyone, welcome back. It's really nice to have you here with us again. Daniel, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little tired, Emily. It was a long day. I've been waiting for the evening since about 3 o'clock.
Oh, I know that feeling. When you're at work or studying and you keep looking at the clock thinking, when can I finally go home?
Exactly. And then when you finally get home, sometimes you don't even know what to do first.
Really? What do you usually do when you get home, Daniel?
The first thing? I take off my shoes, put my bag down, and drink some water. After that, I usually change my clothes.
You change your clothes right away?
Almost always. I don't like staying in my work clothes all evening. I want to feel comfortable as soon as I get home.
Oh, me too. There's something nice about changing into comfortable clothes after a busy day.
Exactly. It feels like my day is finally over.
That's actually what we're talking about today, our evenings. What do we do after a busy day? How do we relax? What do we eat? Where do we go?
And maybe the most important question, how do we stop wasting the whole evening on our phones?
Oh, that is a very real problem.
Very real. Sometimes I get home at 6 and I tell myself, I'll just check my phone for 5 minutes.
And what happens?
Well, 5 minutes becomes 20 minutes.
And 20 minutes becomes...
Maybe an hour.
Daniel!
I know. I'm not proud of it.
But I think a lot of people can understand that. You're tired, you sit down, you pick up your phone, and suddenly the evening is moving very quickly.
That's true, and sometimes I'm not even enjoying what I'm watching. I'm just scrolling.
Oh, I do that too. I open one app, then another app, then I check my messages, and suddenly I'm wondering why I'm still holding my phone.
Exactly. So let me ask you something, Emily. What does your normal evening look like?
On a normal day, I usually get home around 6. I change my clothes, wash my hands, drink some water, and then I think about dinner.
Do you cook dinner every evening?
Not every evening. I like cooking, but after a long day, I don't always want to spend an hour in the kitchen.
I completely understand that. Sometimes I make something simple, maybe rice, vegetables, eggs, pasta, or a sandwich.
A sandwich for dinner? Why not? If I'm tired, a sandwich can be a very good dinner.
Fair enough. What about you, Daniel? What do you normally eat? It depends on how hungry I am. If I'm very hungry, I want dinner immediately.
What does very hungry mean for you?
It means I open the fridge and start looking for food before I even take my jacket off.
That hungry?
Yes, sometimes I'm standing in the kitchen thinking, what can I eat right now?
And do you usually find something?
Usually, but sometimes I open the fridge and there's nothing interesting.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Exactly. You look inside the fridge 3 times like new food is going to appear.
I've done that. You close the fridge, walk away, and then 5 minutes later, you open it again.
Maybe something new will be there this time.
Exactly.
But usually there isn't.
So after dinner, what do you usually do?
This is where my evening can become a little messy.
Messy? What happens?
I usually have a lot of little things to do. I might need to wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, answer some messages, prepare something for tomorrow, and maybe do some studying.
That sounds like a lot.
It is. And sometimes I tell myself, I'll do everything after dinner.
And do you?
Well, not always.
What happens?
I sit down for a few minutes because I'm tired.
Uh-oh.
Then I pick up my phone.
Oh, there it is again.
Yes, the phone comes back.
And then?
Then I check a message, I watch something, maybe I talk to a friend, and before I know it, it's 9 o'clock.
And you still have all those things to do.
Exactly. Then I think, okay, now I really need to get up.
Do you ever feel like your evening is too short?
All the time. Actually, sometimes I feel like I don't really have an evening.
What do you mean?
I finish work, come home, eat dinner, do a few things, and suddenly it's time to sleep.
Oh, yes, that can happen so easily.
What about you? Do you feel like that sometimes?
Definitely, especially when I have a lot to do the next day.
What do you usually do when you have an early morning?
I try to prepare things in the evening. I choose my clothes, put my bag near the door, and check what I need for the next day.
That's smart.
It saves time in the morning.
I should do that.
You should. What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up and immediately start thinking about everything I need to do.
That doesn't sound relaxing.
It's not.
So maybe your evening could help your morning.
That's true. If I prepare at night, maybe I won't feel so rushed in the morning.
Exactly.
But Emily, I have another problem.
What is it?
Sometimes I come home tired, but I don't actually feel relaxed.
Why do you think that happens?
I'm not sure. Maybe because my body is tired, but my mind is still busy.
Oh, I understand. You're home, but you're still thinking about work.
Exactly. I might be sitting on the sofa, but I'm thinking about something that happened at work.
What kind of things?
Maybe a conversation I had, maybe something I forgot to finish, maybe something I need to do tomorrow.
And then you keep thinking about it?
Sometimes, yes. I tell myself, don't think about work, and then immediately I think about work.
That always happens.
Exactly. The more I try not to think about something, the more I think about it.
So what do you do when that happens?
Usually I try to change what I'm doing. I might take a shower, make some tea, or go outside for a short walk.
A walk sounds nice.
It really helps. Even 10 or 15 minutes can make me feel different.
Where do you go?
There's a small park near my home. I walk there after dinner when the weather is nice.
Do you go alone?
Usually, yes. Sometimes I listen to music, but sometimes I just walk and look around.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. What about you? What helps you relax in the evening?
I think I like quiet time. I might make tea, sit somewhere comfortable, and listen to music.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but I don't always want to watch something.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes I just want to sit quietly for a few minutes.
Oh, I see.
I think we forget that doing nothing for a little while can be useful too.
That's true. We always feel like we need to do something.
Exactly. We think I should clean, I should study, I should exercise, I should answer my messages.
I should prepare tomorrow's breakfast.
I should call my friend.
I should do the laundry.
Oh, yes, and then you suddenly have a list of 10 things.
And now your relaxing evening feels like another work day.
Exactly.
So maybe we need a better way to think about the evening.
I think so. But before we talk about that, let's ask our listeners something.
Good idea.
Think about your own evening. When you get home, what do you do first?
Do you change your clothes? Do you eat dinner? Do you take a shower? Do you talk to your family?
Or maybe you go outside. Maybe you exercise. Maybe you study English.
Or maybe, like me, you sit down and pick up your phone. Haha.
Be honest.
Okay, I'm being honest.
Now, let's practice one simple question that you can actually use in a real conversation.
Okay, what's the question?
What do you usually do in the evening?
That's a useful one.
Yes, it's simple, natural, and you can ask it when you're talking to a friend, a coworker, or someone you've just met.
Let's say it naturally.
What do you usually do in the evening?
What do you usually do in the evening?
Now, pause for a moment and answer it yourself.
You can start with, I usually
cook dinner.
I usually watch TV.
I usually take a walk.
I usually spend time with my family.
Or I usually stay home and relax.
That last one sounds very nice.
It does.
But you can also add more information. For example, I usually take a walk after dinner.
Exactly. Or I usually watch a movie with my family.
Or I usually study English in the evening.
See? You don't need a long answer. Just say what you normally do.
And if someone asks you, what do you usually do in the evening, you can ask them the same question back.
How about you?
Exactly. That keeps the conversation going.
Daniel, let me ask you now. What do you usually do after dinner?
Usually I clean the kitchen.
Usually?
Okay, sometimes. But when I'm being responsible, I clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, and then I take a short break.
What do you do during your break?
Sometimes I read, sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I call a friend.
Who do you usually call?
My friend Sam, we talk about our day.
What do you talk about?
Work, food, funny things that happened, plans for the weekend, normal stuff.
Do you talk every evening?
No, not every evening, maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
That sounds nice. I like talking to friends in the evening, too.
What do you talk about?
Usually, I ask, "How was your day?"
That's another really useful question.
Yes. How was your day?
How was your day?
And you can answer, "It was good."
It was busy.
"It was pretty tiring."
Or it was okay. I'm glad it's over.
That one is very honest.
Very honest.
And then you can ask, "How about you?"
That's an easy way to continue the conversation.
Exactly.
Emily, how was your day today?
Oh, good question. It was pretty busy, actually.
Really? What happened?
I had a lot of things to finish, and I had a meeting in the afternoon.
How did the meeting go?
It went well, but it was longer than I expected.
Oh no, how long was it?
Almost 2 hours.
2 hours? That's a long meeting.
It was. By the end, I was thinking about dinner.
So food was on your mind.
Definitely. I was thinking, what am I going to eat tonight?
And did you decide?
Not yet.
Oh, so we have another evening problem.
Apparently we do.
What are you thinking about?
Maybe pasta.
Good choice.
Or maybe something very easy.
After a long day, easy is good.
Exactly.
You know what? I think that's something we both need to remember.
What?
Your evening doesn't have to be perfect.
That's true.
You don't have to finish everything. You don't have to clean the whole house. You don't have to study for 2 hours. You don't have to do something exciting.
You can simply have dinner and relax.
Exactly.
But sometimes I think the hard part is knowing how to relax,
That's true.
especially when you've had a busy day.
So what do you think we should do?
I have an idea.
Oh, here we go.
Listen first.
Okay, I'm listening.
I think we should make our evenings a little simpler.
How?
Instead of trying to do everything, choose a few important things.
So, for example,
Eat dinner, clean up a little, do one important thing for tomorrow, then relax.
I like that.
And maybe put the phone away for a while.
Oh, that part is difficult.
I knew you would say that.
But maybe I can try.
Good. Start small.
How small?
Maybe 20 minutes without your phone.
20 minutes?
Yes.
I think I can do 20 minutes.
Great.
But what am I supposed to do for 20 minutes?
That's the interesting part. You get to choose.
I could make tea.
Yes.
I could listen to music.
Yes.
I could take a short walk.
Exactly.
Or I could just sit on the sofa.
Aha, yes, Daniel, you're allowed to sit on the sofa.
Finally, permission to sit down.
But without your phone.
Oh, you had to add that.
I did.
Okay. I'll try.
Good. And maybe tonight we can both have a simple evening.
I like that. Simple dinner, a little cleaning, some quiet time.
And maybe something you enjoy?
A walk.
Good choice.
What about you?
Tea, music, and maybe a little reading.
That sounds like a very peaceful evening.
It does.
But wait, I just remembered something.
What?
I have to do something before I can relax tonight.
What do you have to do?
I need to prepare something for tomorrow morning.
Oh, see, that's exactly what we were talking about.
I know, but it won't take long.
What is it?
I need to prepare my bag and choose my clothes.
Then do that first.
Good point.
It'll probably take 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah, and then I won't have to worry about it later.
Exactly. You can finish one small thing, and then your evening is yours.
I think I'm starting to understand.
Understand what?
Maybe a good evening isn't about doing more.
Oh,
Maybe it's about finishing what really matters and then giving yourself permission to slow down.
that's a good point, Daniel.
Thanks, Emily.
And now I'm curious, what happens if you don't follow your own advice tonight?
Then I'll probably be sitting on the sofa at 11 o'clock looking at my phone and wondering where my evening went.
Exactly.
So I need a plan.
What's your plan?
Get home, change my clothes, drink some water, make dinner, clean the kitchen, prepare my bag for tomorrow, then take a walk and relax.
That sounds pretty good.
And I'm going to try something else.
What?
I'm going to leave my phone at home when I go for my walk.
Oh, now that's brave.
I know, but I think I can survive 15 minutes without it.
I believe in you.
Thank you. If you don't hear from me tomorrow, you'll know what happened.
Daniel.
I'm joking.
Good, because we still have a lot to talk about.
We do, especially because I want to know what you're going to do after dinner tonight.
I think I've decided.
What?
I'm going to keep it simple.
Dinner, tea, music?
Exactly. And I'm going to stop worrying about all the little things that can wait until tomorrow.
That sounds like a good evening.
I think so too.
And maybe that's what we all need sometimes.
A little less pressure.
Exactly.
I like that.
Me too. Now, though, I think I'm getting hungry.
Of course you are.
We've been talking about dinner for a long time.
True. So what are you going to eat tonight?
I think I'm going to make chicken and rice.
With vegetables?
Yes, with vegetables.
Very healthy.
I'm trying, Emily.
Good. And after dinner?
I'll clean the kitchen, prepare for tomorrow, and go for that walk.
Sounds like a plan.
What about you?
I'm going to make some pasta, make a cup of tea, and enjoy a quiet evening.
That sounds really nice.
It does. And you know what? I think we should stop talking about food now.
Why?
Because I'm hungry too.
Okay, fair enough.
But before we finish this part of our conversation, think about your own evening. What do you normally do when you get home? What makes you feel relaxed? And what's one small thing you could change tonight?
That's a good question.
Maybe you can make a simple dinner. Maybe you can take a short walk. Maybe you can spend some time with your family.
Or maybe you can just sit down, take a breath, and enjoy a quiet moment.
Exactly.
And if you make a mistake or your evening doesn't go as planned, that's okay too.
That's true. It doesn't have to be perfect.
It just has to feel a little better.
I like that.
Me too. Now, Emily, I really need to figure out what I'm having for dinner.
Go check that fridge.
I'm going, and this time I'm not opening it 3 times.
We'll see about that.
Okay, let's find some dinner.
You know, Daniel, I think I actually feel better after talking about this. Sometimes we make our evenings more complicated than they need to be.
That's true. We spend the whole day doing things, and then we forget to give ourselves a little time to slow down.
Exactly. Even something simple like having dinner, making some tea, taking a short walk, or talking with a friend can make the evening feel better.
And you don't have to do everything. Maybe tonight you just choose one thing that helps you relax.
I like that. One small thing is enough.
And if your evening doesn't go perfectly, that's okay too. Tomorrow is another day.
Absolutely. So before you finish listening, think about your own evening. What do you usually do after you get home?
And what's one thing you really enjoy doing at night? Maybe you like watching a movie, cooking, reading, going for a walk, or spending time with your family.
Tell us in the comments. You can simply write, "In the evening, I usually," and finish the sentence.
That's a great way to practice. And maybe you'll discover that someone else has the same evening routine as you.
Oh, I like that. Well, I think it's time for us to start our own evenings now.
Definitely. I still have dinner to make, remember?
Yes, and don't forget to prepare your bag for tomorrow.
I won't, and I'm definitely going to try that short walk.
Good. I hope you have a calm and comfortable evening wherever you are.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. Just keep listening, keep speaking, and keep using English a little every day.
Exactly. Thanks for spending part of your evening with us.
Take care, everyone. Enjoy your evening, and we'll talk again soon.
Bye, everyone. Have a good night.
Good night. Take care.